Tired of endlessly scrolling through streaming services, trying to find the sports you actually want to watch? Well, today we're diving deep into ESPN Plus, giving you a comprehensive look at what it offers so you can decide if it's the right streaming solution for you. This isn't your traditional cable ESPN, so let's break down what you actually get. First up, live sports. ESPN Plus streams thousands of live events. Think college football and basketball games that aren't always on the main ESPN channels. Plus a ton of soccer from leagues around the world, including Bundesliga and La Liga. You will also find PGA Tour live coverage and combat sports like UFC fight nights and top-ranked boxing. But it's not just live games. ESPN Plus is packed with original programming. We're talking exclusive shows like Peyton's Places, offering unique perspectives on sports history. You'll also find documentaries from the acclaimed 30 for 30 series, plus studio shows diving deep into your favorite leagues. Don't forget about the on-demand library. Catch replays of games you missed, explore in-depth interviews, and relive classic sporting moments. It's a great resource for sports fans who want to learn more about the games they love. So, how much does all this cost? ESPN Plus is typically offered as a monthly or annual subscription, often bundled with Disney Plus and Hulu. Check the latest pricing on the ESPN website, as it can change. Ultimately, ESPN Plus is a solid choice if you're a dedicated sports fan looking for a wide range of live events, original shows, and on-demand content that goes beyond what's available on traditional cable. It expands your viewing options considerably. Hopefully, this helps you decide if it's right for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more streaming breakdowns.